Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into CoinPlix app. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, make sure that you have downloaded CoinPlix app. Open it. Here, check the boxes and click on Login button. Here you can select a Google account or you can also add another account. You'll have to enter your email or phone, and in the next page you'll have to enter your password. I'll just click on my Google account because I do not have an account yet. If you do have an invitation code, then you can enter it and get 1000 points. If you do not have one, then you can click on the cross. And that is how you can log into CoinPlix app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.